Hello Amigas! Today I'm creating a spinning Amiga ball with Deluxe Paint 3. Just like I did in the previous video, the image will have a size of 32 pixels only. We'll make use of just two colors, red and white, and a transparent background. We start Deluxe Paint with a low-res default settings and a palette of 16 colors. We enter the palette window from the menu. Our purpose is to create a spinning ball made of 8 animation frames. On the second column of colors, we set a range of 4 colors of red and 4 of white. We can use the copy button in combination of the split function to set a certain range of same color. Once the palette is defined, I set the range using the entire second column. On the fill type, I set the horizontal fill mode. I also set the jitter to 0 because I don't want to use it. I select the first color within the range previously selected. Now I start creating a rectangle that is filled by the current color range. By using this brush, I create a 32 pixel square. Now I update my brush by selecting the created square. I change the fill type to wrap. I can now create a ball with my current brush. Again, I update my selection as my new brush. This is an old technique from the 80s called color cycling. By rolling the colors with the selected range, we are able to make the ball appear to be moving. Now I apply a rotation of 15 degrees. By using the Move feature, I can finally draw all the animation frames I need. So I set the count to 8 and the distance of 256 pixels, so that each frame is 32 pixels distant. This is useful if we want to store all animation in only one image file. If we want to save frames on a separated files, instead we set frame count. We set the distance to 0 so the ball keeps the same position on every file. Perfect. We have 8 image files containing a single ball frame. Remember that sprites have only 4 colors, so it's possible to reduce the color depth also from Deluxe Paint, so that keeps only the used colors. That's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe. Thank you.